I'm just gonna cleanse the space. Give y'all some. Thank you for joining me for episode 2 of Talk with Malkah Thursdays. I am beyond grateful for all the love and reception of my first episode. It's very affirming to share the things that I love with everyone and provide the information to aid in people's journeys with their skincare, wellness, however I can assist. In the last video, I left a note about how it wasn't just body butter alone that helped with the issues that I was dealing with. And so I'm going to just drop the video here. It wasn't that I just made a body butter and it changed my life. It doesn't matter how many products you use. Skincare products alone are not what is going to aid in healing and fixing what it is you're experiencing with your skin. What worked along with me using this product that I created was understanding what I was experiencing was my body's way of communicating to me what was going on internally. There was more to just what I put on my skin externally that was key to dealing with eczema, contact dermatitis, and heat rash. The skin is the largest organ of the body, and it is also the biggest communicator of what's going on internally, externally. Parts of the body was communicating to me about stuff it didn't like, whether it's food, products, and our clothing, and things like that. And if we are reacting to it by way of breaking out pimples, rash, acne, that is communication internally about the body trying to get rid of it by way of expressing it in some way, shape, or form. I also learned the importance of what I was consuming. I learned the importance of detoxing, cleansing, and incorporating a more plant-based diet, more alkaline foods than acidic foods, which I'll put that chart back here. I had to eat less dairy, meat, and processed foods. We're also getting communication by way of our energy levels, how we feel after experiencing these things. So after I eat the foods that weren't good for me, I would be tired, I would have low energy, my mood levels would fluctuate. I came across information about cleansing. The blood and the liver's key role is detoxing and eliminating toxins in the body. If it's bogged down by consistently being hit with toxins back to back on a daily basis, need I say more? So those two things paired together and being consistent, I noticed that I wasn't breaking out as much and as severely as I did in the past. I knew I was onto something. The key thing for today's talk is really knowing what it is that is being communicated to you when you have any type of things showing up on the skin that aren't normally there or aren't supposed to be there. There's an ancient practice which I talk about on our Instagram called face mapping. That is when you use your face as a map and the areas that you break out, pinpointing what parts internally of the body are expressing something's going on and they need attention. Think about the things that you consume on a daily basis and reflecting on how you feel after you eat them. I know it tastes good, it's amazing in the moment. How you feel after you eat. Do you have low energy? Do you have the need to go directly to sleep after you eat that food? When you're sleeping, your body is doing a reset. It's working hard to process things, to being able to function for the next day. So think about when you're eating foods that you want to go to sleep right after. What is that being communicated to you? We are here to grow and to experience the best versions of ourselves on a daily basis. Very similar to this plant. And what cleansing does is it allows the body to reset, to work on some things that it needed to clear up and not have to process heavy things or things that take a long time to digest and do what it needs to do. Another thing is detoxing. Think about all of the parts of the body and all the work that it does, researching ways that you can cleanse the body. What herbs, fruits, what vegetables help with cleansing those things. The main thing for this series is listening to the body. It's the key to living in balance and harmony, and understanding what's going on internally, understanding that it's interconnected. My challenge to you is to see in the ways that you can challenge yourself and trying something different. See how you feel after you do it. Maybe it's trying a juice cleanse one day out of the month. Build your way up, working your way to 7 days. If you eat more dairy and meat, trying plant-based for a day, one day out of the week. Limiting your intake of processed foods, because that is a hindrance to the body functioning at its optimal levels. Challenge yourself to see how that affects your skin. Pair it with cleaner products, and if that leads to finding solutions on your journey. If you have any questions or you would like to know more, please leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Peace.